This is Syed Rashid. You are watching Intermediate Second Year Physics from Ahlibaid High School and Junior College, Kotla Alija, Hyderabad. Student, we are going to discuss one important topic and make sure this answer might ask you in 8 marks. So you can know the importance of this answer by saying by listening the marks itself. जैसा कि आप इसके मार्क्स सुनने के बाद ही आपको इसकी अहमियत समझ सकते हैं. 8 मार्क्स में आएगा, दैट टू आउट ऑफ 60 में से 8 मार्क्स में आ सकता है ये. ठीक है, तो ये जो क्वेश्चन आपको पूछेगा मैं एक खुद रीड कर देता हूँ और मैंने बोर्ड पे भी वैसे हेडिंग लिखी है, वो भी मैं आपको बताऊँगा. एक्सप्लेन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्स इन एन एयर कॉलम एनक्लोज्ड इन ओपन पाइप. दैट मीन्स आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है. क्या एक्सप्लेन करना है? स्टेशनरी वेव्स किस तरीके से फॉर्म होते हैं अगरचे के वो यानी एयर कॉलम के अंदर ओपन पाइप में रहेगा. उसके साथ साथ क्या बोलेगा? ड्राइव द इक्वेशन फॉर द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द हार्मोनिक प्रोड्यूस. और उसके अंदर जो हार्मोनिक प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं उसका आपको इक्वेशन बताना है. उसके लिए आंसर बहुत सिंपल है. देखिए आप, फर्स्ट आई विल रीड ओके इन इंग्लिश, आफ्टर दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन आवर ओन लैंग्वेज. So first you need to write answer, side heading, left side answer. So I am just reading the theory part as you can listen. An open pipe is a tube with both the end open. When a wave is passed into an open tube, it gets reflected at both the ends of pipe. Hence, the incident and reflected waves are superimposed and a stationary waves form. Antinodes are formed at the both end of the tube and nodes are formed at the center of the tube or pipe as shown in the figure. So now I will going to draw one diagram. After drawing I will explain the theory part what I have said just now. Look at here, consider open pipe is nothing but you can see this is an open pipe. Okay, open pipe is nothing but you can say like an open pipe is a tube with both ends open. This end both are open as you are seeing. Okay, जैसा कि आप देख सकते कि जो आपका पाइप रहता है ओपन पाइप जिसके दोनों ही एंड ओपन है, खुले हैं. ठीक है, when wave is passed into an open tube it gets reflected at the both end. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, जैसा ही ये वेव पास होगा तो दोनों ही साइड से आपको रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. जैसा कि look at here, this part and this part. After that you can see this part and this part. Like this waves are formed. Okay, so this is nothing but you can see this as fundamental frequency or first harmonic. You might have say one question, sir, just now you explain about the first harmonic, like first harmonic is like this. Just now I explain you what is first harmonic, like this only na. So instead of like this I am just drawing this. Why this means this is then criteria if the first harmonic forms in open pipe. That's why this wave is in two pieces. As you can see, if I am just inverting this part and this part, both the parts like this, total inverse, it will become like this. Okay, so this is the diagram. You can write the theory part by the diagram itself. After that, what happen if these waves form in like open pipe? It will get reflected and superposed and stationary waves form. So what is superposed? I will going to explain the principle of superposition in our next class. First just you need to remember what like superpose here. Superposed and reflected, it's formed like a stationary wave. Here which type of waves we got? Like we got stationary waves. And what is stationary waves? We already learned in detail. Okay, and in stationary waves we have few terms like nodes, antinodes, like this, cross trough, so etc etc. So here you can say we got 2 antinodes and 1 node. This is nothing but antinode. Okay, this is also antinode and we have this as node, only 1 node. So in like if we have like I am just drawing one diagram to explain you nodes and antinodes once again as I already explained. This is node, this is node, this is node, this is node, this is antinode, this is antinode, this is antinode, and this is also antinode. So this on this theory part only we have to write. You can write on your own without mugging up also. Okay, so after that now you have to draw one diagram like this. Okay, we have draw like Let us consider, student, the length of this tube might be L. Okay, I am considering the length of this tube is L, and we know what we know, nothing sir, that the distance between two successive nodes is nothing but we have one formula like lambda by 2. So here L is equals to lambda by 2, and what is this? This is nothing but the distance between two successive antinodes, the distance between here to here, you can see this. Okay, so L is equals to lambda by 2. Till here we got it. After that, what we have to do? Now we need to write few again like theory things, like in fundamental frequency or first harmonic, two antinode one nodes are formed. The length of the pipe L is equal to half of the wavelength, because the distance between two successive antinode is lambda by 2. This point you have to write. After writing this point, we will going to do one expression, like we got, like therefore we got what we got, student, L is equals to lambda by 2. So here if I want to get the lambda, means I am just keeping this lambda like this, and this L become 2L. So lambda is equals to 2L. Okay, this is nothing but, now here we need to apply one more formula. What formula we have to apply? The velocity for wave is given as v is equals to lambda, like mu lambda. So in 10th class also you might have remember one equation like equation of light, c is equals to mu lambda, like this. But here v and c both are same, both consist of velocity or speed depending upon the situation. Speed and velocity both are same, but speed is an scalar quantity, whereas velocity is vector quantity which has this thing. Okay, this is not exactly our topic. So we have one formula like v is equals to mu lambda. So I am writing this formula as it is, as you can see, v is equals to mu lambda. Now what I need here, instead of like lambda, what I can write, student? Yes, instead of lambda I can write it as like 2L. Okay, so v is equals to mu into 2L. So here I want mu instead of v, because mu is nothing but frequency. We have to find what we have to find, equation of the frequencies of harmonic. We are not supposed to find the velocities or speed. So here implies what it's become? It's become like mu is equals to v by 2L. Okay, have you got how this gets? So therefore the fundamental frequency or frequency of first harmonic expressed as mu is equals to v 2L. So this is expressed as, once again I want to explain till here. First what we have done, we have firstly got the question like formation of stationary waves in air column enclosed in open pipe and the equation of the first frequencies of the harmonic produced. So what we have do, we have do first we can write answer. After writing the answer, we better to draw the diagram aside, or else you can, before starting the answer itself you can draw the diagram. After drawing the diagram, with the help of this diagram only you can write the theory part, like an open pipe is a tube with both end open. Open pipe is an tube. Open pipe क्या रहता है? एक ट्यूब रहता, और उसके दो एंड्स क्या रहेंगे? ओपन रहेंगे. तो इंग्लिश में सेंटेंस कैसा बनेगा? एन ओपन पाइप इज अ ट्यूब विद बोथ द एंड ओपन. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी कैन डू, व्हेन अ वेव इज पास इन एन ओपन ट्यूब, यानी कि अगर एक ओपन ट्यूब में वेव अगर पास हुआ तो क्या होता? इट गेट्स रिफ्लेक्टेड एट बोथ द एंड ऑफ द पॉइंट. It will get reflected at the both the end it will get reflected. The incident and reflections of waves produce then stationary waves after superimposing. They are superimposing themselves and forming a stationary waves. So antinodes are formed at the both end. You can see that antinodes form at the both end, where node is formed at the center of the tube. Let us consider the length of the tube L. Okay, and we know that the distance between two successive antinodes is lambda by 2. So therefore L is equals to lambda by 2. So therefore L is equals to lambda by 2. Here I wrote, but I want lambda. Lambda is equals to 2L. But what student? But we know what we know. V is equals to mu lambda. So instead of like lambda, what I am writing? 2L. Okay. So we have to get frequency. So frequency means I am just sending this 2L to the denominator of v. So actually what it become like v by 2l is equals to mu. It will not look good to write like v is equals to 2l. Instead of this I write like mu is equals to v by l. This is our first part of our equation. Now what we have to do, second thing, this is called our fundamental frequency or first harmony. Okay. Now second, so we have done yet about the first harmony or fundamental frequency, and the diagram already we have done like this के जो फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी या फिर फर्स्ट हार्मोनी में आपको एक नोट रहेगा और दो एंटी नोट्स, टू एंटी नोट्स विल बी देयर. ओके. नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड एज आई एम राइटिंग हियर fundamental frequency. Okay, or it is also called as like first harmony. Apart from this, student, it has many names like lowest frequency, natural mode, this type of names it has. So this many names these things has. Now we will going to the second thing. So we are just finding the second harmony. For second harmony, the diagram as you can see here, there is an two notes here. Okay, 1 and 2, as you can see, two notes, node and node, and we have three antinodes. One here, one is antinode complete, this is also an antinode, and this is also antinode. That means we have three antinodes with us, and this is called as what I said, student, second harmony. Okay, and this is has different name also. Apart from second harmony, it is also called as like first overtone. Okay, first overtone. Why it is called as first overtone, student? You can see here a complete wave form, so that's why it is called as like first overtone. Now we will going to derive this thing. You have to just remember that we got answer for the first harmonic like mu is equals to v by 2l. Okay, let's here first harmony, we are just giving this name as first harmonic. Let this is name as mu1. Okay, mu1, and mu1 is equals to v by 2l. Okay, and this is the fundamental frequency or first harmonic done. Now we are just doing second like second harmony and first overtone. For second harmony, as you can see that 1 2 3 three antinodes we have, and we have two notes, and the length of the like pipe will be, the length of the pipe like lambda, that is L is equals to, in we can write a theory part in generally. Okay, in the, as you can see here, in the first overtone, or this is also called as, student, second harmony. This is also called as second harmony. What we have, same theory part, we have to write like two notes and three antinodes are formed. Okay, so this part we can write, and the length of the pipe will be like equal to lambda, like here L is equals to lambda. Length of the pipe will be the equal to the wavelength of the length of the pipe is equal to wavelength. Now after that, student, L is equals to, actually this is not exactly like lambda, but is actually what's happened means, here L is equals to, we got like lambda by 2, means here we will get L is equals to like 2 lambda by 2, but we are usually cancelling 2, we will get the 2 lambda. So here I can write it as L is equals to lambda, or I can write L is equals to 2 lambda by 2. So up to here it is clear to you. We know one thing, but we know what we know, student, nothing. What we are learning then, we know that like we have formula v is equals to mu lambda. So v is equals to mu and lambda. I am just replacing lambda only instead of mu. So if I am replacing lambda, means what it will become like, or it will become like lambda is equals to 2l by 2. How this 2l by 2 we got, student? This 2 into l equal to 2l, and 2 lambda means just this 2 goes to the denominator on L side. So lambda again is equal to what will happen, like 2l by 2. So that's only I am writing here, as you can see, v is equals to mu into 2l by 2. Okay, do one more thing here. I am just multiplying this 2 to this, and what it will become? It will become like 2v okay, is equals to mu 2L, okay. But I am looking to get the frequency, okay. So hope you can see this part of the board. Student, make sure once I am done with this derivation, I will going to place you a complete answer on your screen. You are not supposed to confuse, sir. You are just explaining like roughly, and we have to be better having notes, means you will get perfect notes after this answer, okay. So we got like 2V by mu 2L. So now what I will doing, I am keeping mu as it is, okay, and instead of writing mu on RHS, I am writing on LHS itself. So after writing mu is equals to what we get, I am just sending this 2V as it is, okay, by I am sending 2L to the denominator, okay. Have you got? Now I am writing mu as it is. Now I am taking 2 of the numerator common, and I am writing like V by 2L. Student, could I write like this? Yes, I can write, because if you multiply 2 into V, what you will get? 2V by as it is 2L. So mu is here as it is. What about V by 2L, student? What we get? V by 2L is nothing but 2 mu. Since you need to write like this, since mu is equals to V by 2L, okay. So what we will get, like and here I will give this mu to like this, like 2 mu 2, and it will like 2 mu. So we got second overtone, okay. After this you can tell like, therefore frequency of second harmonic is twice the first. You can give this as mu 2 to mu 1. So the frequency of the second overtone is the twice of this. Like that, student, the frequency of like third overtone, it will like mu 3 is equals to 3 like 3 mu 1, like this going on. So for third harmony also we will going to derive the expression. As of now, if you want, you can see and understand this part, need not to copy, and if you want to copy it roughly, because I am going to give one answer after this. If you want, you can copy roughly, okay. We are now moving to the third. This is called as third harmony. The diagram you are looking this side, this is nothing but third, okay, harmony. And what is this overtone called, student? Yes, you are. Can you guess what is the overtone name here? The here overtone name is second, okay. Overtone you can call it as, okay. You can see 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 what, student? Notes, okay. And for antinodes we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have like 4 antinodes. So now we can write the theory part on the basis of our diagram itself, okay. And as of now you can see one more diagram here. This is nothing but, this is a fourth harmony or third overtone, fourth harmony, okay, or third overtone. But this part need not to derive more, because up to third harmony it is enough for us, okay. Now look at the board how I am driving the diagram. So here I am writing the theory part with the help of this diagram, okay. You can write easily like in second overtone, or this is called as like third harmony. Yes, student, come on, you can say in second overtone or third harmony, what will be this? We have like 3 notes, and how many antinodes we had? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 notes and 4 antinodes, and you can write like, and the length and the of pipe is 3 lambda by 2, okay. So here what we have, like L is equals to 3 lambda by 2. Same procedure we need to repeat. Like we know that, what we know that, student? We know that like we are using V is equals to mu lambda. Then instead of here also we are on the places of lambda, you can write like this, student. Look at this, how I am doing this step. 2L. How this 2L? This 2 into L becomes 2L, okay. Now equal to 3 lambda as it is on the same place. But here I am sending this 3 to the denominator of 2L. So what it will become? Lambda is equals to like 2L by 3. So here what I will do, students, yes, same procedure or same step I will going to repeat. It is very easy. You need to practice 3 to 4 times. Very easy, you can do. So here you can see, student, now what I am doing, V is equals to mu. Instead of lambda, what I will going to write, 2L by 3. After the same, 3 goes to this side, 3V is equals to mu into 2L. Okay, again same procedure we are just repeating. We are looking for mu, so mu will be this. I am writing this mu on LHS instead of RHS. So mu is equals to 3V here as it is only. So this 2s goes to the denominator of this. This is nothing but 2L. Again I am doing this step. Mu is equals to, I am taking 3 as common. It is V by 2L. Okay. Yes. Now the our next, and hope you can see this part of the board. I am just deriving on this part. Okay. So after mu into 3 into V by 2L. What is V by 2L, student? What is V by 2L? So here mu is equals to 3 into V by 2L, we have like mu 1. Okay. So we will giving this name as mu 3 is equals to 3 mu t. So this is the frequency of second overtone or third harmony, or you can say as third harmony and second overtone. So you can write one step here last. Okay. So the last step you can write like in this way, the frequencies of the harmony in the open pipe can be determined. In open pipe, the frequency ratio will be like mu 1 is to mu 2 is to mu 3 is equals to like 1 is to 2 is to 3, so on. So this type of thing you can do. So this is our answer. The formation of stationary waves in an air column enclosed in open pipe, and we also derive the equation for the frequencies of the harmony produced. Now student, hope you understood this thing. Make sure you need to practice 3 to 4 times. Now the time to see the answer on your screen. Okay, go ahead. Hope you saw the answer from the screen. Make sure, student, you need to copy that answer and you need to keep as notes. Okay, and this is Sayyad Rashid. We were learning about the intermediate second year physics chapter number 1, waves. We will going to continue our topics in our next sessions. Okay, till that, thank you, have a great day or have a great time. Okay.